Hello my friends, it's Wolf Lopez here back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you step-by-step way how to buy cryptocurrency easy and fast. And I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017 and I've been using Binance for years, so I can highly say that, with 100% confidence that Binance is the best cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And that's why you want to be using Binance. You want to work with the best, okay? When it comes to cryptocurrencies, you of course you want to work with the best, okay? And if you haven't signed up on Binance, there's a link in description where you can save 20% when you sign up on Binance. So go ahead and go sign up on Binance if you haven't. And if you already have created your account, then let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is first understand that you have a wallet. So I'm going to show you. So you have your own wallet within Binance. And when you buy cryptocurrencies, all the cryptocurrencies will go into your wallet. Okay. For example, I'm going to show my wallet. So this is my wallet on. So when I click Fiat and Spot, this is my wallet on Binance. Okay. And like you can see here, I have some Bitcoin right here. Okay. And now to buy Bitcoin, you now understand that you have a wallet where whenever you buy Bitcoin, it will show up in your wallet. And to buy Bitcoin, all you have to do is go to buy crypto. And I'm currently in Europe, so I'm using euros to buy. But if you're, for example, from United States, it will show USD here, and you are ready to go. But you can do bank deposits, a credit card or debit card. Then there's peer-to-peer trading, cash balance, and third-party payment. I have been using Simplex, and then credit card, debit card, and bank deposit. I highly recommend these two first because these are by far the easiest, and in my opinion they are the best. So you can do whatever you want. For example, let's do the bank deposit. So all you have to do here, okay, is straight up, let me show you. So here, bank transfer save, and you can do it here, and I'll choose how much you want to transfer, and then just click continue. But I like to do the credit and debit card, so let's go to credit and debit card, and you will see right here that it will say BTC right here. Okay, so you can see it right here, big Bitcoin. Okay, and what you want to ultimately do is just select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Okay, and after that click buy BTC, and that's how simple it is. Okay, and then you have to confirm your payment details and all that, so you are not a fraud or something like that. But it's easy. All you have to do is just put your information there, and that's that. And after that, the Bitcoin will show up. When you buy it, it will show up in your wallet right here. Okay, so that's how you buy Bitcoin. Very simple, very easy. Now, for Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies, you can store them in an offline hardware wallet, such as Ledger Nano S or X. Okay, so I highly recommend Ledger Nano. You can get also that one in the description. And be sure to use when you are buying these ledgers, be sure that you are buying them from the Ledger's official website. Okay, there are a lot of different scam type of stuff. For example, I have got a lot of different emails saying that I have messages from Ledger, and my YouTube in this channel, my YouTube comments are full of bots and scammers. Don't fall into that kind of stuff. Be wise and go to the official website. You can find it in the description, for example, or type into Google Ledger and go to their official website, and you can buy it there. I highly recommend it. It's the very safest way, because if something happens on Binance and you have your cryptocurrencies here, you most definitely will probably lose all of them, or it's very hard to get them back. Okay, so you want to store your cryptocurrencies safely offline. Okay, but anyway, that's that. And now you have your Bitcoin right here. Now I'm going to show you, if you want to use the Bitcoin, for example, if you want to start trading and you want to maybe buy some other coin besides Bitcoin, all you have to do is go trade and click classic. This is classics trading desk. This is very easy to use. I'm going to show you how to do it. And right here, you can see different kind of so here are sell orders, buy orders. This is limit. So if you want to, for example, buy when this and this is now in daily candle, you can do it 4-hour candle, whatever you want to watch. But if you want to see that, if you think that the price is, for example, going down, you can bid here and that it will buy it, for example, on this price. But I usually just market buy, which means that it automatically buys with the lowest price. So that's what I do. So I just market and then put the price here. But that's how you use it. Now, for example, these are the Bitcoin pairs that Binance has. So you can see a lot of different pairings. Let's say that you want to sell your Bitcoins for some of your Bitcoins, for example, for, let's pick something here. Let's pick like, let's say that you want to sell some, for example, Neo. All you have to do is click the Neo/BTC. You can also type in the, for example, if you want to buy VeChain, you can buy it, put it here, and you can see it here, and click here, and this VeChain/BTC. Okay, so what you're basically doing is the one on the right is the cryptocurrency that you are selling, and the one on the left is the cryptocurrency you are buying. So you are now selling Bitcoin to buy VeChain. Okay, and some people are selling VeChain, and these people are buying VeChain with Bitcoin. So that's how it works. And now to do that, now to trade your Bitcoin, sell your Bitcoin into these cryptocurrencies, go to market buy. This is what I'm doing. And when you have here buy, and you can just select how much VeChain you want to buy, and then click buy with. Now it will automatically trade your Bitcoin into VeChain. So you have now sold your Bitcoin and traded that into VeChain. And when you do that, the VeChain will show up in your wallet right here. So that's how you trade in Binance. It's very easy. Test it a little bit. You can, like here now I'm selling all of my Bitcoin, for example, if I want to test it first, I could just, you know, go with like 10% and see like how it works, and after that you will see it. And the same process works with selling. So for example, when you have the VeChain, you can come here, and if you want to sell that VeChain, you can come here and type it in, and you can sell VeChain for these cryptocurrencies. Okay, for example, let's say that you want to sell your VeChain now to Ethereum. Just click VeChain/Ethereum, and you can just come here again, market, and then just type in the amount of VeChain you want to sell, and then when you click sell VeChain, you will trade your VeChain to Ethereum. Okay, so that's how it works. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, it's not too complicated. And if you need any help, any support, any questions at all, just comment down below and I'm here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys. Okay.